are pleased to show you the 2012 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.